What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be special. These are getting deleted. The cab lights are getting changed. This video is going to be a 2005 to 2007 headlight install video. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to change your LED bulbs up there. Your bulbs to LED. These are going to be LED. It's going to look really sweet. A lot better than these old-fashioned ugly things. So here's everything I believe you're going to need. We got instructions here on where to cut, because as you know, you have to cut your whatever it's called, I forget what it's called, this thing, the header panel. So you've got to cut that to fit them out, and I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to mark it and I'll show you exactly how I do that, so don't worry. I've got these LED cab light bulbs. My cab lights are in there somewhere under there. Cab light housing, Beam Tech 10,000 lumen LED headlights to go in there. The adapters came with it. All that was right at about, including bulbs, $220. So that's not bad at all. I'll do a video here. Okay, I know for a fact I'm gonna pull that, obviously. I've never really done this, so we'll just see how it goes. So the bottom turn signal comes out with two little Phillips head screws on the bottom there. You get you a long extension like that and you can get them. Then there's these two metal clips, one over here, one over here. Just break them off, you're not gonna need them. There's gonna be this thing back here, you turn it, it'll free your headlight. You break them two clips, they come right out, the turn signal comes right out. It's all pretty simple. Now I'm gonna mark my dotted line with a silver Sharpie and then show you the rest. As you guys can see, I marked it out the best I could, so you kind of come up this side, right around there, come down right here, come around the whole bottom. Pretty simple. Now I'm gonna get the cutting tool. This is our tool of choice. You see DeWalt. Let me put a new blade on there. With the help of our master mechanic, we got it all done. We got it fastened with some soft tappers, and it works. Time to do the other side. All right, y'all, we got both the LED bulbs, or the 6.0 headlights and LEDs in. Now we're gonna put the cab lights on and roll. So we ran into a dilemma here. These cheap ones, they're all broke. This one's really broke. We're just gonna run them anyways, order some better ones, and we're gonna get an after picture. All right, you guys, I know that was a short little video, not really in detail, but it's done now. Some of the cab lights are broke, so we had to order more, but I think it looks pretty sweet. Definitely gonna be a lot better as far as being able to see. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tomorrow we're going to Brown Mountains. That's gonna be a new video.